Okay, all the Christmas lights are up. It's cold outside. Anyway, Bob's outside wrapping things up, putting things away. I forgot to put coffee cups away. Oops. But it is past lunchtime and now I'm hungry, so. I do have one more bird to do in this pattern that I linked in last week's vlog. I think it's orange and black with white stripes, I think. I don't remember what kind of bird it is. So we'll be working on that later today, I think. And also I'm working on the project for next year, so. All right, We're gonna run outside really quick and go check the Christmas lights we put up earlier. I got the document for Patreon done for next year. Amazed, I didn't think I'd get it done today. My tablet was not too happy with me. I got some one business paperwork thing done and a bunch of other chores. I've kind of got a lot done today. So did Bob. I'm like, I don't know where we got the energy, but let's go look at the lights. It is cold and foggy and wow. Okay, hold on. It's pretty good if I do say so myself. We don't even have the things in the window turned on yet.
Gotta turn that on.
It's pretty good, you guys. I filmed 2 videos. I edited the vlog. It's loaded over there. I got the document for 2025 transferred from my tablet to the computer because it's too big to fuss with on my tablet. I was lucky I got it created on the tablet. Anyway, I'm gonna clean up now because I made a mess, and then we're gonna sit and just relax for a minute while my phone transfers video footage because it's gonna take a while. One of the clips is really long. I'll be back. Okay, 2 videos filmed, 3 videos edited. The last one is rendering and all will be uploaded and scheduled by the end of the day today. I call that a good Monday. All right, I'll be back. Bob is off to a Masonic meeting and I had dinner and everything, some iced coffee. We are gonna do something to catch up on daily drawings because I'm very far behind because of the Christmas decorations, Thanksgiving, family stuff. Yeah, anyway, I've never gotten this far behind before, but I have an idea. Hang on. So I think what I'll do, I'm like 5, 6, 8 days behind. I've never been that far behind. I'm gonna pick some words from the days. I'm not gonna do all the words, and I'm gonna do one small compilation drawing down here. And let's see what we come up with, shall we? don't know about you, but that turned out pretty cute. All right, just an idea. Take a bunch of words, put them together, and see what comes out. I'll be back. I'm going to do the first couple days of December now because, like I said, I'm really behind. Now relax, because guess what? That's done too. It's been a very productive Monday, the most productive Monday I've had in quite a while, and I'm not mad about it. So cool. Plus, I'm wearing one of my new sweaters in case you haven't noticed. All right, we're going to go downstairs and listen to some YouTube. I have my earbud in and work on another amigurumi, working on a little elephant, and just chill. Because why not? I'll be back. So it is Tuesday morning, just before lunch. I got a couple things done this morning I needed to do before Junior came, because now we're babysitting for the day. And oh, that's interesting at the end of the street. Anyway, I forgot where I was going with that. We're taking Junior out for a walk right now, and it is cold, and everything was frozen over and icy this morning, so that was fun. So winter's here. There's flashing lights at the end of our street. Don't know why, but we're walking that way, so I guess we'll find out. I'll be back. I vlogged today? I don't think so. It's Wednesday. It's 20 to 7 p.m. Obviously we're at the grocery store. He's picking out some frozen dinners. It was counseling this morning. And so counseling days aren't always days when I get a lot done. I got a few things done, but not a lot. I did finish another amigurumi, this time a tiger, and I'll put a picture here. Super cute. Started him last night. I have a pattern I got off Etsy for some mushroom people. I don't know how else to describe them. So I'm going to be making at least one of those. There's a shiitake mushroom one. Anyway, I will link the pattern down below. And tomorrow's babysitting day. And Friday is babysitting day. Bob's got Masonic things tomorrow, Masonic things on Saturday. It's just busy, busy, busy. It's a holiday season, so anyway.
I'll try this. Cheese.
You gonna try that?
Why not?
Okay.
Then you're like photographing me and
You're on the vlog, so
I'm on the vlog.
say hi
right?
to the people.
Hi, people.
All right, so we're gonna finish and I'll be back. Nothing like steering the stroller with one hand and the elbow. Well, so you can do this. Anyway, I'm out with little man and we're going for a walk. We'll check the mail on our way back. He's being really good today, but he is getting more teeth in, molars. So, plus I have a theory he's going through another growth spurt. He's like really tired or really hungry, like all the time. So there's that. Anyway, yes, we're gonna go get some steps in, maybe touch some plants because we like to do that, and I'll be back. guys, it is Saturday afternoon. It's 5:20 p.m. and of course it's winter, so it's already blacker than snot outside. It's been raining on and off all day, which was to be expected, to be honest. Mister has been out at a Masonic thing most of the afternoon. I've been here making Christmas ornaments. At Thanksgiving, I made turkeys for everybody who came, and this year we're making these little wreaths. I'm doing each one different. So I got one done yesterday. I got 2 more done today. They're not really complicated, but they are a little fiddly in that to create the base of the little wreath, where are we? There we are. The donut part, and that's actually what they call it in the pattern. It's a lot of counting. You got to be mindful of every single row. A lot of increases and decreases. I'll link the pattern down below. Anyway, there's a text from Mister. He's headed home. We have to do some Christmas shopping, but one of the stores we need to go to closes in less than 10 minutes. So I think we'll be waiting on that one. They're not open tomorrow or Monday. So I think that one I'll either be doing by myself or we will do next weekend. Tomorrow we are clear of all obligations. So we get to, there's our tree. We get to just go do some Christmas shopping. We pull Secret Santas for Christmas. Otherwise it gets too complicated. And so we need to go get stuff for our people we picked, and we need to get stuff for grandson. We should pick up something for my dad, and I should probably write that down. We also need to order some rouladen for Christmas Day dinner. I could make the rouladen. I know how to make the rouladen, but we have some really great German markets and delicatessens in the area, and they can make it. And then all we have to do is cook it. I like that idea. We should also get some Spätzle. If you don't know what those are, Spätzle is a German pasta. Rouladen is a thin piece of meat wrapped up with onion and bacon in the middle, sometimes a pickle. There's a few variations on it. It's rolled up and sealed tight with either twine or a toothpick, and then you cook it. And then you make a gravy. Well, it's German food. Most German food has gravy. But, I mean, it's actually very good. I also ordered the Christmas fruitcake Stollen, also German. We did get some panettone. I am Italian, and I haven't had panettone since my grandmother was alive. And to be honest, it's not my favorite, but we did pick some up anyway. If my dad comes, I think he'd appreciate that. But yeah, let's see. Let's get dad gifts. If I don't write it down, you guys, I'm going to forget. And babysitting last night went really, really well. To my surprise, he went down without too much fuss. So that was really good. I loved that. And he stayed asleep until mommy and daddy got home. So yay. All right. I think that's it. I think so. It's been a crazy busy week. I try to just squeeze the crafting in and the creating in when I can. And the closer it gets to the holidays, and it's not even about my mental health and well-being anymore right now. And you all know, I understand, most of you know, like your schedule just gets so complicated. And there's just not enough time. So I try to have a little bag to go of something I can do in the car. Or when we're waiting on something. So I have a bag with some Red Heart all-in-one granny square yarn, a hook, and a pair of scissors. And I can do that when we're out and about or in the car. I don't need to count. I don't need to, I can look around. I can talk while I'm doing it. No matter what kind of arts or crafts that you're doing, is there something that you can do in a simplified version, maybe not in the car, but that you can carry with you to do, when you're waiting for an appointment, or, if you're with the grandkids maybe, and they don't mind that you're crocheting while you're all watching a Christmas movie. Think about it. I generally carry at least a small ball of yarn and a hook with me. Sometimes I carry a sketchbook, and sometimes I don't have a chance to use them, but I usually try to bring them with me. Anyway, it seems to be working at the moment, but I mean, that's all you could do. I hope that I give you some ideas and inspiration. If I can work through these things, you can. Trust me, you can. I am feeling a little bit better these days. Art for therapy definitely helps. Filming it for you all definitely helps. Being able to be creative, spending time with the grandson, that really helps. Even when he's a crabby little man, doesn't matter. Right now he's getting more teeth, but anyway. That's it for this week, I think. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. I read every comment and try to reply to all the comments. Artsy Trio is ending this year. I did film my last episode for them. I might be interested in doing something else next year. So if you're interested in collaborating, send me a DM. And if you want to support the free content here on YouTube, we've got some new stuff coming up for next year in Patreon. So check that out. It's in the video description. And above all, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. Remember to stop and breathe every now and then when you have a chance, especially right now when your schedule is just going to get completely insane. All right, that's it for this week. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.